In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to create a list of options in your Scratch game. So we'll start with the green flag. And now I'm going to create the list. So to create a list, you go to variables down here, because the items in the list can vary. And we're going to make a list down here. So make a list. And we'll call the list, for example, a list of the counties of Munster. So we'll call it just Munster. Now we'll start adding things to the list. So you can just click on the plus here. And the first county, for example, Cork. Now another one, Clare, Kerry, in Tipperary, Limerick, and Waterford. That's our list created. 6 counties, make sure you got them all there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to ask the person playing the game to pick a county or to name a county in Munster, and we'll check if it's on that list. So we go to looks. Sorry, it's actually under sensing here. Ask. So name county in Munster. So that's what you're asking. Now we have to control the answer because we have to give a clear message if it's right or wrong. So to control the answer, you go to control here, and we need an if then else statement. So drag that out. Now the next thing we need is if Munster, if we go down to variables here, the list has to contain the answer we typed in. So put that in the box here. So if Munster contains, you drag that from the variables options here. If Munster contains, now if it contains what? If it contains the answer that the person types in. So for the answer, we have to go back to sensing and select the answer. So the answer is up here. If Munster contains the answer, so if the list contains the answer that we type in, we say correct. So go to looks and say correct. Otherwise, if it doesn't contain the answer we typed in, we say incorrect, try again. Incorrect, try again. So let's test that code. Hit the green flag. Name a county in Munster, so I'll try one that's correct first. So we'll try Kerry, for example. He says correct. Now let's run the game again and try a wrong answer. So we'll try Dublin. Incorrect, try again. So that shows that the code works correctly.